Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another episode with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Today we have another amazing video for you with an amazing knife. Today we'll be looking at another Italian Stiletto Switchblade. We'll be looking at a 28 centimeter or 11 inch Frank Beltrame Kris Stiletto Switchblade in ebony wood scales. So without further ado, let's take a look at this beauty. Beautiful knife, one of the older makes with the Kris thinner back spring over there. Why is this thing not focusing? Let's check. There we go. Beautiful knife. Let's fire up. Ooh. So this is the other one I got in the last video when I spoke about this one. I bought these two together for my birthday like 2 years ago. And this is my second Frank Beltrame Kris. I like the size of 11 inch. I think is my favorite. The 13 is a bit too big. The 9 is a bit too small, but the 11 inch is just nice. So another fantastic stiletto switchblade, Kris blade, brass liners, ebony wood. Just another gangster looking piece, man. What can I say? Just beautiful. Frank Beltrame, straight from Italy. So, man, I'm always trying to hunt down Kris, and I got another one on the way. We're going to show it in the video soon. In Brazilian one, also Frank Beltrame. But today we're looking at this bad boy. Frank B Italy stamp. Another beauty. Still mint. Like yeah, this really been even played with. Also another reliable knife. Just solid, man. Like I say, Frank Beltrame's stilettos are one of I think the oldest switchblade maker, one of the oldest from the World Wars. Been making switchblades since then. Obviously these are the production affordable. They do also make Latamas switchblades, stilettos. Yeah, beautiful pieces. The new Latamas, very expensive as well, but worth it if you love these knives. So another beautiful knife for you on the channel today. Don't forget to check out our website. The link will be in the description under this video, and also on our homepage. All our links are there on top. Get some more affordable switchblades for Christmas before it's too late. So get some if you're looking for gifts or whatever. We got what we have there. We have 13 inch, 11 inch OTFs, 9 inches for like $45 in each, $20 shipping to the USA. Beautiful knife, once again, beautiful knife. So another quick video. Love my Kris blades, stiletto switchblades, I love them, just fantastic. This is my second Kris. Got a few more I'm going to show on the channel. Beautiful. It's hard to get Kris Frank Beltrame's, man. It's like it really makes them. I was thinking of selling this one, but I don't know, I don't think I will. This is my only ebony wood. Just a fantastic piece, so gangster. But thanks a lot for joining in Switchblade Wade again on another fantastic channel, another fantastic video on the channel. Subscribe, guys, like the video, comment. Let's get the activity and the community growing and flowing here, so YouTube can recommend us to other people who also like these knives. And don't forget to check out the website. Get some affordable switchblade stilettos, automatics from 45 each, 9 inches. Stag switchblades, Damascus, swing guards, snakewood, acrylics, Kris blades, bayonet blades, dagger blades. Don't miss out, guys. Check out the website. The link is at the bottom of this. And make sure to get something before Christmas. Anyway, my flicky friends, we'll see you next time. Peace.